Hello. Thanks for dropping in. David Bradley from the box room. So, last time, we're trying using another 64, and we're having strange things happen, like it would work with a dataset, and then it wouldn't. Anyway, I believe that we have determined, indeed, that this Canadian tape from the Vic-20 binder, the Computer Educator Geography, Book 1, is down. Let us try, if I can get it out of here. Boy. These tapes are tight. What I'm trying to do is determine, do I have a working data set? And if I do I have two of them? You do remember, perhaps, maybe, possibly, I did open one of them up to have a look-see. And then it seemed that the problem was very likely, not at all with the data set. Oh, we have found USA. Lovely. I'm sure in a moment it will go and start to load it. Oh. Okay. And this tape that we tried before, which probably has issues, we'll put back into the little case that it was in when we got it. Cute little case. Good for mailing things, like tapes. So this is loading, and once it does, I'll type in list and I'll have a look-see. And if that is all good, then I suspect, there it is, load error. Oh, yeah, that's the load error. Alright, we're going to fast forward. Now, does this mean the data set is wonky? Does this mean the tape is wonky? Well, I don't know. My keyboard is a little wonky. Okay, we're going to press play on tape. It's been a long time. Remember, these tapes, these old, they were never designed to be good this long. And in fact, they may not be. But Commodore did put the program on both sides. So I believe it is now found USA. And it has. So we'll just let it sit. We'll say, okay, I'll load that. And we will see. The discs I washed are hanging, and I suspect they're quite dandy. At least, well, I don't know if they're going to work, but I'm sure they were covered in slime of all sorts. Now, some people might say, would it get a load error because you're using a 64, not a Vic? No, not really. It should not matter. It should not care. load error means, for whatever reason, whatever's on the tape, it's just not happening. That. Oh, we're in. Run our list first. So I think what this is going to do, much the same as the other, is I'm going to type in run. It's going to be not formatted well for this screen. Let me touch that screen again, see if that helps. There we go. Say one student. It's David, Jefferson City. Now, it's kind of low on instructions within the program, but remember, this is probably supposed to run on a standard Vic-20, which means there's not a whole lot of room for instruction. There are instructions with this. What it's asking me is to put in the name of the state. Now, Jefferson City, I don't think I'm right. Missouri, of course. Let's see what it says. Phoenix, Arizona. Yay. And who knows, on the Vic-20, it may be actually making noises like, yay. Well, or something. But not on here. Do I have to hit a key, or is it going to go on? I guess I have to hit a key. Cheyenne. Well, I'm going to just guess. And the space bar fails me again. It's funny. It's in Wyoming. That was not what I was going to guess. Boston. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Am I going to struggle through that spelling? No. Round 5. Salem. I think that's North Carolina. No, it's Oregon. Whatever. I don't necessarily know the cities of the United States of America. Concord. Excellent question. You know what? I do need to answer these questions. I will put this tape back in here, knowing we were able to get it to load. Now, the next big thing for this moment is to unplug this data set, which seems to be okay. Put it up here. Having the machine turned off, I should look at the... It has this incredibly long grounding thing, which I'm always afraid is going to get into something. Now, does this data set spin? It does. Okay. That is a good sign. All right. Let's take out Vic Rivers. Now, I suppose I should actually try a tape that we've already tried. Oh, we rewound. Okay. We are working. 53280, 53281, and then type in load, and we will press play. And we'll see. It would be nice to have a couple of data sets that I know are functioning. because there's lots of tapes to test. Let's see this little book here. Operating instructions for your C2 and cassette unit. Okay, trying to reverse. Oh, it's a good idea to keep the cassette lean at least 2 feet away from the TV, as radio emissions from the TV can interfere with the correct operations of the cassette unit. Interesting. So it has pictures here of, looks like a Vic. Tells us do not, yes, turn off the computer before connecting the cassette. Yes. And maybe the ground thing is for the pet. Let's see here. Turn off the computer. Ensure the cassette deck motor is off by checking. Right. Turn the computer on. Yes, you don't want to turn the computer on when the button is down. Press play. Look that it's engaged. Yeah. Now press the stop button. Press rewind. Press stop. Press fast forward. Ooh, we're in. Alright, run. How many shootings? 1. Oh. I think we're having a color issue here. Because this looks like, oh great, yeah, it's color. Okay, hang on here. Let me press stop. Will this get me out of here? No. Okay, well, this is going to be great. Because, what? Am I out? I am out. Okay, 5, 3, 2, 8, 0, comma, 1. 5, 3, 2, 8, 1, comma, 1. But before I do that, I'll move the cursor to black. Let's see how this goes. 1, D. Aha, look at that. Multiple choice that we can see. The Hawang River is located in Asia, Europe, North America. I'm going to say Asia. And it is very good. Now, operations test. Care of tapes, cleaning, and demagnetizing your cassette heads. Oh, what do we got? Denial. I'm going to say Africa. Yes. It says it does not recommend alcohol be used. For a temporary thing, yeah, fine. Do not use any plastic or rubber solvent. Okay. Okay. It's just a tape head demagnetizer. It's funny. Enter choice. Amazon. The Amazon. I'm gonna say 4, and it is in South America. Woohoo! It's funny. Nowhere, or no one in here, do I see it make any reference to the grounding shop. Lake Victoria. I think it's in Australia. Oh, it's not. It's in Africa. Oh well. The tape is working. The Negro. Let's try Africa. Incorrect. South America. Alright, well this is going well. Lake Rudolph. Wow, gee, that must be in the North Pole. But I'm sure it's not. Something tells me Australia, but I'm probably wrong. Africa. I sense a trend here. Alright. The Thames River. I think it's actually called the... Anyway, whatever. The Thames. Now the Lake Chad. Oh, who knows? I'm going to say Africa because everything else is. Ah, it is. Lake McKay. Let's try North America. Incorrect. Where is it? Australia. Great. That's beautiful. Hudson. North America. If I don't get that, I got some trouble. What do we got here? You're a genius. Very good. How did I do? 6. Average score. Another quiz? No. Okay. So, we have 3 working tapes, and we seem to have 2 working data sets. That's really what I wanted to find out. Do we have a couple of working data sets? And the answer is yes. Yes, we do. So that is really what I wanted to know. So, I'm going to put that up here. I'm going to put this up here. Because I know they're working. And we have tested 3 tapes. Are we going to test more tapes at this moment? No. Nope, we have other things to look into. So, oh, and did I forget? I might have forgotten. Oh well, I meant to bring a pencil up, but oh well. Next time. So thanks for being here. Bye for now.